Hi everyone, this is Carol and welcome. Had some time on my hands and it gave me an opportunity to view other channels and other people's videos. Many I have come to consider friends and supporters, people of like minds, and I wish to say that everyone I've connected with and encountered has been more than gracious in sharing and accepting everyone's platform, what people are doing and what they are presenting in the community. So it's been a wonderful and joyful time for me this whole 3 months. I've learned a great deal, continue to want to learn, and I'm so enthusiastic about what everyone is offering and contributing to this community. So, along with having free time, I came up with a 3 card spread that touches on some important themes, or should I say, some needs that I sensed as I was viewing different people's videos and in my own personal life, what is going on. And what I came up with is why don't I do a spread, a very simple spread, and open, call it open to self-love. What is going on within ourselves? Excuse me as I move this camera. I apologize if there's any noise, but I've noticed that it's not really balanced. There we go. So going back to this spread, I'm calling it open to self-love, because the only way if to love ourselves is to understand where we are not currently loving. And I thought the best way to do that would be to address the body, mind, and spirit. And I know that everyone out there has done a body, mind, spirit 3 card spread. They're wonderful, they're easy, they get right to the chase. And always, it's usually horizontal. I am putting this vertically so you can see it on the screen. And I thought the first card would indicate the body. And it's blank there because I really wanted to put an individual spin on it. So I would say, as I'm addressing this spread and laying out the cards, where am I, Carol, not giving myself love or attention? And I put attention there because some of you may be giving yourself love, but maybe not attention in a certain part of your body. So I wanted to make it a little bit versatile. Then I wanted to look at the mind. My thoughts and mental expressions of self-love are, what are my mind thoughts about myself? Am I having loving thoughts, or am I critical in my thoughts? And then lastly, and very importantly, spirit. What would be a spiritual expression of self-love I need to give myself? So join me right now as we look at this on a very individual basis and on a very sincere, because self-love is the impetus for everything else in our life. Loving other people, being happy and contented, and of course it is the gateway into healing mental, emotional, and very physical ailments that we come across. So I'm going to get balanced here and get grounded as I shuffle the cards. So let's look at the body. Where am I, Carol, not giving myself love or attention? the Lovers. Relationships, body, significant other. Where am I, Carol, not giving myself love and attention? Wow, this is very enlightening, because on a very personal level, I do have a significant other, but because of time restraints with his schedule and certainly mine, we have not been able to, let's say, share as much intimacy that maybe the tarot is telling us is needed. So I am really making this public. Okay. Wow. I will definitely look in this a little bit more. Mind. My thoughts and mental expressions of self-love are the world. I would say that that's a very positive card to express to me how I show self-love, because I believe that I think very, I don't want to say loving thoughts all the time about humanity, yet my thoughts about humanity is always to send love, acceptance, grace. I try to understand. I am certainly open to looking at both sides of what is happening, understanding that there is duality, and what is occurring in the world has also a personality self and it has a soul self. And the personality self is always in a process of learning or acting out when we are not healed. So the personality acts out in a shadow self. And understanding that, I look for more of what the soul of the world is, and that it's pure love, or looking to either get love or to give love or to understand love. All right, and then spirit. What would be a spiritual expression of self-love I need to give myself? And I think this is very important. It capsulizes everything. So let's see what that card is. The Ten of Pentacles. Having to do with generations. What would be a spiritual expression of self-love I need to give myself? Immediately what entered my consciousness is the importance of my family, my grandchildren, of course my children and my grandchildren, my family, as far as expressing them expressing love to me and me expressing love to them is on a very spiritual, very healing, and on a level that goes without saying. So looking back through, I could look at myself being the elder here and watching as my children enjoy their children and giving them the generational values and morals and how it is passed down, and to let them tap into their higher self, their higher essence. This is, of course, very rewarding. In fact, when I feel like I need to recharge my battery, I tend to always seek out going and visiting family, my children, my grandchildren, and significant others. So let's look at this body, mind, and spirit. as to how I can love myself in my body is the lovers, allowing someone to love me, sharing time. My mind is to want the universe and be a part of the universe, to be accepted also as a humanitarian spirit, trying to be a good steward, trying to be of good service, and being very mindful of what my thoughts are, and certainly what I am expressing here on YouTube. It's an indication of what I'm giving to the world. And then, of course, spiritually, we all have a legacy. We all have the ancestry of our families and how they will be the next generations, the stewards of the world, and what will their thoughts be that I am leaving behind. So the self-love, I'm going to look at these cards a little deeper and meditate on them and see on a very personal level what I have to learn from them. Thanks everyone for joining me today. Blessings to everyone that I've met and continue to explore. I thank everyone and hope that you all have a fantastic holiday weekend. Bye for now.